Good afternoon and welcome to the Carpenters Training Center. This afternoon I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble a box that we're going to be completing for Skills Canada, Alberta. With this project you should receive 6 pieces. You're going to have 2 side pieces, a front and a back, and a bottom and a top piece. The 2 longer pieces that are in your package are your front and your back. These 2 pieces we'll be using first in identifying the layout that we need to establish our nail holes in completing this project. The bottom edge of our piece is called a rabbet. This is where the bottom of our project is going to sit inside of our front, back, and sides. With your helper holding down your piece and your combination square set to 10 mils, you can take your pencil and scribe a line the entire length of your project of your front and end pieces. On our side pieces, we can also lay out that 10 mil on the sides and the bottom. On the front and back piece, we will only lay out on the bottom. From the edge of our front and back piece, we're going to measure in 10 mils and make a line for our first nails to go. For our nail holes on our sides, we are going to measure down 10 mils to locate our first nail hole. And then we are going to measure the overall width of our piece and measure the midpoint, which is 56 mils for this piece. Once our layout has been done and our nail holes have been established, our next step would be to apply glue into our rabbets and start the nailing and assembly process. I have my bottom piece and my front piece with glue applied. I'm now going to place this onto my bottom. Ensure that the bottom is flush to the bottom of our sides, and we can begin nailing. We now have our front and our bottom attached. We applied glue in our rabbet, we've wiped off all the excess glue, and we have nails assembling our front to our bottom. The next step would be to assemble our side. At this time, we're also going to apply the glue around the 3 edges where our rabbet is. Assembling this piece, once the glue is applied, we have to make sure that our rabbet overlaps our front as well as the bottom, like so. Once our glue has been wiped off, we have lots of pencil marks on our project from our layout. We're going to want to remove those with a sanding block. Now that our project is complete and we've sanded it, our top should fit right inside.